Hi, I'm Melissa from the Oregon City Public Library, and today we will be reading Boy plus Bot by Ame Dyckman. A boy was collecting pine cones in his wagon when he met a robot. "Hi," said the boy. "Want to play?" The robot blinked. "Affirmative." They played. They had fun. But as they rolled down the hill, a rock bumped the robot's power switch and the robot turned off. "What's wrong?" the boy asked. The robot did not answer. "Are you sick?" the boy asked. The robot still did not answer. "I must help him," the boy said. He took the robot home. The boy fed him applesauce. He read the robot a story, and he tucked him in. "Good night, Bot," the boy whispered, and climbed into bed. Later, the boy's parents peeked in on him. They did not see Bot behind the door. The door bumped Bot on his power switch. Beep! Bot turned on. "What is wrong?" Bot asked. The boy did not answer. "Did you malfunction?" Bot asked. The boy still did not answer. "I must help him," Bot said. He took the boy home. Bot gave him oil. He read the boy an instruction manual. He was bringing him a spare battery when the inventor walked in. "Stop!" the inventor shouted. "That is a boy!" The boy woke with a start. Then he saw Bot. The boy smiled. "Bot, you are cured." Bot lit up. "Boy, you are fixed." The inventor called the boy's parents. Then he drove Boy home. "Good night, Bot," Boy said. "Good night, Boy," Bot said. "Want to play tomorrow?" Boy nodded. Affirmative. And the friends did. The end. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time for another story.